Welcome to this detailed tutorial on how to lock shape objects in PowerPoint. In this session we will guide you through each step involved in securing your shapes so that they do not move or accidentally get altered during further edits. Before you begin, make sure that PowerPoint is open on your computer, as this will allow you to follow along easily with the demonstration. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. When PowerPoint is up and fully loaded, take a moment to navigate to the presentation that you have been working on or that you wish to modify. By opening your PowerPoint presentation, you will have the file containing your design elements readily available for editing and further customization. Once your presentation is open, locate the slide that contains the shape object you intend to lock. Seeing the object clearly on the slide, click on the shape object that you want to secure. By clicking on the shape, ensure that it becomes highlighted or selected, indicating that it is ready for modifications. This action is important because a selected object will now be receptive to contextual commands that you will access in the following steps. After you have successfully selected the shape object, move your mouse pointer over to the selected object and perform a right click. This right click action is a key step because it will bring up a context menu with a list of options that include the command you need in order to lock the object. It is essential that you right click directly over your object to avoid any potential errors with the menu options that might appear if you right click on another area of the slide. Now focus on the context menu that appears on the screen after you have right clicked on the object. In this menu, look carefully among the list of available commands until you locate the option labelled lock. When you find the lock option, click on it to secure the shape object. This function effectively locks the shape, ensuring that it remains in place and is not inadvertently moved or changed during later edits or presentations. Locking an object not only prevents accidental modifications, but also aids in maintaining the overall layout and design consistency of your presentation. By following these clear and straightforward steps, you ensure that your shape objects are successfully locked, giving you peace of mind and preserving your design work. This process is particularly useful when working on complex presentations where multiple objects are involved and precision in placement is crucial. Taking the time to lock these objects means that throughout the rest of your work you can focus on enhancing other parts of your presentation without worrying about accidentally misplacing any of your carefully arranged design elements. This concludes our tutorial on locking shape objects in PowerPoint. By starting from opening your presentation file, selecting the pertinent slide, clicking directly on your shape, right-clicking to bring up the context menu, and finally choosing the lock option, you ensure that your designs remain intact. Follow these steps consistently whenever you need to secure specific elements, and you will find that your PowerPoint presentations become far more robust and easier to manage. Enjoy designing with the confidence that comes with knowing how to effectively lock your shape objects.